Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can see who viewed a profile on Twitter. I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So in order to see who viewed a Twitter profile, first thing you need to make sure that you've already updated your Twitter application to the latest version. If you haven't updated your application, then all you need to do is open up your Play Store application. And then on the search box, you need to type in Twitter, and after that you'll be taken to the Twitter page where you'll be able to see update or open. If you have update, which means that the update is available and you'll need to update the application for the latest feature. So after updating application, open up your Twitter. Now once you open up your Twitter or log in into your Twitter account, you'll see what the interface is going to look like, and in the top left corner click on your profile icon. Once you click on the profile icon, on the other half you'll be able to see a menu page. Now go and tap on profile. Once you click on profile, there will be no such options such as viewers or the profile viewers. Unfortunately, there is no such method of directly seeing the viewers who has actually viewed your Twitter profile. You cannot use any other third-party application, but then you'll be able to see who has followed you or who likes your tweet and other information, but you'll not be able to see. Now there is one alternative. What you can do is you can head over to your web browser, open up any web browser that is convenient for you, and once you open up your web browser, on the search box type in analytic.twitter.com. Once you visit this website, you'll be able to see a lot of information regarding your Twitter account. Unfortunately, due to my current location, in your case you'll be able to see a lot of information, so you can go through it in this way. You can see who has viewed your profile on Twitter. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.